kababayan ko, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is an immense honor and a distinct privilege to stand before you on this momentous occasion as we come together to celebrate the 50th church anniversary and golden year of the Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ, Fourth Watch. For half a century, Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ, Fourth Watch, has been a beacon of unwavering faith, selfless service, and boundless compassion. Your organization has become a source of hope and salvation for countless souls. Ang inyong dedikasyon sa iba't ibang uri ng public service,